Good morning, cool team. It's Thursday. Happy National Cheese Day! I'm going a little off assignment here, but I think you'll be okay with a fun video. Just like a proper Philly cheese whiz, we've got a lot to cover, so let's feta down to business! Here are a couple tips and tricks to make home filming a cinch. This is just a teaser, so tune in for Free Film School Friday for more. First, record, record, record. Digital is free. Try something silly. Learn by watching yourself. Delete, then try again. Consider what you're wearing. Does it make you look good on TV? Fine patterned images might buzz when moving. Colors can make you blend into your background. And don't get caught in a pants check! Leave a little extra room on either end of your recording. The editors will thank you later. Pause, pause, begin. When you end, pause, pause, and cut. So, stay fresh, cheese balls. I'll asiago you later.